Materials required: canvas measuring 16 by 20 inches, fabric or acrylic color, flat brush, black tape. A beautiful canvas painting can be made using an electric tape. Yes, you are going to learn that today. First, paste the electrician's plastic black tape on the canvas to make a different pattern or a design. Now, fill fabric paint of different colors in the open spaces between the tape. Leave the canvas to dry. To give your design a complete look, carefully remove the tape from the canvas. And you have learned to make a beautiful canvas painting using easily available home items.